Before this video gets started, guys, I want to let you know there's a lot of scam accounts in the comments recently. I won't ever be giving stuff away in the comments. I'll let you guys know here in a video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you just saw, we got the tail on this S1000 installed, and man, I gotta be honest, it's a close first place tie with that Ducati tail and this BMW tail, but I think the Ducati tail is still my favorite. I absolutely love the sleek design in the rear on these S1000s, but now let's move on to the front and install the lock cylinder 100%. Unfortunately, the key components for this S1000 are yet to arrive, but in the meantime, my buddy Luke let me use his 360 camera, so let me show you these bikes in action, which you really don't get to see. All right, back at the shop, we got some frame sliders for the BMW. Let's slap them on. I'm very happy with these frame sliders because they're sleek and they're not bulky. I also am just now noticing that the frame sliders are in different positions on the bike. One is lower and farther to the rear, and another one is higher and farther to the front. Unfortunately, I forgot to order the bolts for the windshield, and this bar end mirror does not work on this 2021 BMW S1000. I've got another idea for the mirrors, so stay tuned. And the throttle cable is still on its way from Germany. I cannot wait to ride this S1000, so we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. A little more bonus content. My tire is broken. Step 1. Step 2. There we go, new tire. Time to put her back on. Mission accomplished. The Honda oil pan is leaking. New Honda oil pan. Oil filter. All right. Oh yeah, I'll explain that later. Delicious. Oil filter coming out. The first bolt. Last bolt. Hi. That's fortunate. So that's what it looks like underneath. All cleaned, ready to go. Oh, hey guys. I'm just bolting in the oil pan. I'll catch you later. All cleaned up. Here's the spot on the old pan that was leaking. Spin this new bad boy on. We'll fill it up with oil once it dries tomorrow. Belly fairing's on. Time for some oil. Oil level is good. Delicious. What's this? My exhaust fell off, burned my fairing. Roll the clip.
This guy too, I take it. A 4-hour trip.
No, it probably doesn't sound it.
Oh yeah, what's this? Let me show you.